Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, because here we have to activate the developer options. So let's enter the About Phone, tap on Software Info and find the build number right here. Keep tapping on it until you'll see this info that you're in the developer mode. And now we can go back. Sorry, I forgot that I've got the 3 buttons navigation. And after getting back to the general settings, we have to scroll down again. And as you can see, the developer options will appear right under the About Phone. And after entering, we have to scroll down again to find the auto update system option. So in my case, this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do anything manually, just remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.